come and join us today as we show you the behind-the-scenes tour at SEA LIFE Orlando. We'll show you the highlights of the tour and some other fun things you can do while you're at SEA LIFE.
Today we're at SEA LIFE. Icon Park SEA LIFE.
Alright, we're going to show you a new behind-the-scenes tour for us, new for us, that we haven't done before.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. That's weird. Go and see some fish.
And I just want to say a big thank you to SEA LIFE for giving us the tickets for today and the behind-the-scenes tickets. We went to Icon Park last December and it was so much fun. If you haven't been, you definitely need to visit this whole area. If you want to see everything that Icon Park has to offer, I will link our video in the description. We did the arcade, Madame Tussauds, SEA LIFE, we even did the Santa Claus experience and the wheel. It is a lot of fun. There is a lot to do. You can spend a whole day here. We're going to show you around first before we show the tour. The kids love bringing their cameras, taking videos and pictures. We were gifted our sloth camera, the green one, so I will put our pictures at the end that Vanessa took, but they really had so much fun. And last time they went through this exhibit so fast. This time with their cameras, they ended up taking their time and really exploring everything. Everyone, of course, has a phone on them, but if you do have little ones, maybe consider bringing a little camera for them because they really did have a blast just videoing everything. You can get through the SEA LIFE Aquarium. I would say you need about an hour if you really take the time to explore and read all the materials that they have. There's a lot of things you can learn.
Oh my god! Oh, those ones are very good. I took a picture of it!
Good job.
There's stairs down there. There's 3 sharks.
Yeah, there is.
And more fish. Look at them. Look, look, it's a baby fish.
You see them, Bob?
Oh, you see them there.
You can go inside and kind of like peek your head in. Oh, look at that guy. I like how it's like indented inside. And this is outward. Yeah, look, pumpkin, it's like Coco. Axolotl.
So cute. We have more fish right here with broken pipe.
Well, I like that one. That's like a big.
I like that one. I like that. I like that
Which
yellow one. It's a pretty color. Mommy, I like that yellow one. It's pretty.
I like it too.
Oh my gosh, they're so tiny. That's a very good view.
It talks about axolotls. So the Aztec people, axolotls' regenerative ability was like the lake system. Oh look, there's one here, Pumpkin.
Mommy, look, there's an axolotl.
Look like you were in the water.
And there's a white one over here too. It's pretty cool that you can actually get inside these. It's one of my favorite things about this aquarium versus like SeaWorld is you can go inside and get closer. They also have some information on here too. Alright, it says new exhibit coming soon.
Oh. What?
Yeah.
This always makes the camera light up.
Mommy, we're going to show the axolotls.
Sure. This part is really neat because it has tunnels. You can see the fish up close too. And the Coral Sea. Second largest sea, has over 2,900 individual reefs.
I got a big shot of a fish.
Good.
Let me show you that one.
Oh, I love it. Good job. SEA LIFE has 9 different interactive exhibits, thousands of sea creatures, and over 250 species. The kids love the tunnels. It's so fun to just crawl in there and see what you can find. Pacific is the world's largest and deepest ocean, covering 1/3 of the Earth's surface. There's the behind the scenes. He's cute.
He is. Oh my God.
Aw, how cute.
Oh.
babies in there.
Yeah, he probably does.
Oh, he's so cute.
Like, we probably want to ask
Honey,
him.
love their baby.
You'll see in just a bit, we're gonna come back here for the tour to feed some fish. We'll see what the fin fact is. Okay, so it goes to their YouTube page. Okay, so I'll have to watch it later, but that's cool. Fin facts. Alright, this is the Everglades in southern Florida.
Gosh! I'm going to take a video of him. He is so cute. Pick me up.
Looks like he's eating.
He's so cute.
Gonna do the behind the scenes tour. Are you ready to see more? Are you ready, buddy, to do behind the scenes? I think we get to see. I think we get to see how they feed them and all kinds of stuff. That'll be fun.
This is actually where the motherboard of Sea Life is, so to speak.
Oh, okay.
That's our life support system. Everything back there is all our filtration pumps, our filtration tanks. It says salt storage. 1.25 tons of sea salt gets poured underground on this side. So it goes underground, salt goes underground, and it goes into the filtration tanks. Filters it. You guys are seeing an exclusive.
Okay.
This here is part of a Florida track project. We are working with 49 aquariums to preserve the coral off the Florida coast. In the back, it looks like a smoothie, right? Looks like a strawberry banana smoothie.
Yes, it does.
It's actually shrimp. It's a shrimp called brine shrimp, B-R-I-N-E. They actually get fed to our moon jellies, and they get put in something like this. And they bring them out and they feed them to the little moon jellyfish that you guys saw when you came in. But this is another form of a shrimp. It's called a mysis, M-Y-S-I-S.
There's hundreds of them.
Yeah, and they scoop them up as well, and they feed these to our potbelly seahorses.
Oh, okay.
Seahorses that look like they're pregnant.
Yeah.
Think of it as a kitchen at a restaurant
It totally looks like
Orlando or
one.
anywhere in the world.
Yeah,
And it is fit enough for all the animals that we feed. So
Look,
up
this
here
is
you're
all the
looking
food
at all
we
the
feed them.
different meals that all of our fish eat. So over here is the lab, over here is the vet clinic, and behind me is quarantine. We're going to talk a little bit about all three.
Okay.
But here in our lab in the morning, the first thing that the aquarists do when they come in is they're checking the pH level of the water, they're checking the salt of the water to see if they need to add or take away salt, and also the temperature. You want to set a temperature for these animals to survive, right? Okay. So sharks are considered to be oviparous.
Oh, look.
Do you guys know what the term oviparous means?
Look, what is that?
No.
Oviparous, think about chickens. Chickens on the farm would do what?
Chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets. I like it. I like it.
They would.
They would lay.
Yeah, they would lay eggs.
They lay eggs. So these are actually baby shark eggs.
Oh, wow.
So that's what oviparous means. It means egg laying. And what you're holding a white spotted bamboo shark egg. You're holding a coral cat shark, and this is an epaulet shark.
I'm holding a shark.
Yeah, but there's nothing in there right now, so that's okay. That's why you guys are able to hold it. Now, one shark may lay up to about 250 eggs.
That's
crazy.
And then only one may actually survive.
Oh, wow.
Is that
Okay,
heavy?
Pretty sad. No,
not heavy.
it's not heavy. It's about the same size as that one. They're called mermaid purses.
Okay.
That's what they look like under
Mermaid purse.
a microscope.
Oh, okay.
Very carefully. It's a process. It's a process. All right, so I'm not yelling at you. Remember, I'm not yelling. Here's the Pacific Ocean. You guys were downstairs. We were standing by the Ford counter.
Oh, right there.
Ford counter is right there. Yeah, right down here in this area. In the back is the Atlantic Ocean. On the far side, which we don't have access to, is the Indian Ocean. Here in the Pacific Ocean, you would see Mario and Luigi. They look like little baby hammerheads, but they're
Oh, yeah, we did see.
they're bonnet heads. They're not going to grow much bigger than what you're seeing. Bonnet.
Little bonnet,
Like
right?
a bonnet, yeah.
Shark, and he wants you.
He's saying hi to us. Yeah.
Hey, give me
All right, you guys ready to go back down?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
I'll point out some stuff to you. So
Please.
this is plastic.
Please tell me it's fake.
It is
Trash.
fake. It is fake trash.
Yeah.
Yeah. And our friend Shelly, a sea turtle, would probably eat it and get sick.
Yeah, and then they'll die, and then the earth will be gone, and then nobody will live.
You're fully gone. Wait, I don't think it's going to be that intense.
He also told us how sea life contributes to the animals, and then he takes us around to tell us more about the animals in the aquarium.
That's a green moray eel.
He's
so
so
the largest
cute.
species of all the eels.
Okay.
Now, a lot of times guests like yourselves will come up and ask us, is he stuck?
No.
He is not stuck. He's actually resting right now.
Yeah.
The way we know he's okay, he is moving his jaws up and down. So you can kind of see it. He's breathing, right? If he wasn't doing that,
Then you'd be like, yo.
Look, there's a zebra shark.
yeah.
Oh, that
And
is
she was given to us from the Georgia Aquarium as well. She can actually lay on the bottom and filter the water through her gills.
It's gonna be a pair.
Angelfish, there is horseshoe crabs.
Are they hanging out because they know something?
Yeah, they do. They do. So it's a sign of target feeding in action.
Yeah. That's so cool.
Dory.
That's the seaweed that he's putting on there.
This is very big. Unexpected.
Look, they're eating it.
There you go. That a boy.
Wow.
And you can see why it's called a feeding frenzy because they come right over to feed. It's gone already. Yeah, it's gone already. All right.
Oh my gosh!
That's awesome.
It's already gone!
Hi, buddy.
Where is
Here they
it?
come.
Where is it? Oh my gosh, everybody's eating it! Is that already gone?
Already
gone.
So this is the end of the tour, and the next part is for any of the guests. The area where you can touch the starfish and the sea anemone is the very end of Sea Life. So you have to wash your hands. It's about 55 degrees of water, very cold. And then you can go around and use 2 fingers and touch all the sea creatures. 2 fingers, good job. How does it feel? Does it feel rough? Or soft? Soft.
Yes, he is.
Yeah, is it like slimy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Believe it or not, they are carnivores. So
Okay.
they eat meats, like fish.
Like a fish that'll swim up to it.
Really early in the day, the aquariums feed these guys too.
What did you think of the tour? Was it educational? You got to feed the fish. Did you guys like it?
Yeah. I love feeding the fish.
Okay. What did you think, Daddy?
That was fun and educational. Joe, our tour guide, he was very knowledgeable. He was funny, very explanatory on everything. He was nice. He was a good guy.
Yeah.
Good tour.
On top of the tickets, only $10 for the tour. It's worth it.
Yeah.
For 30 minutes, I mean, I think it's well worth it with all the knowledge,
think it's
everything
worth
they
it.
showed us. You got to feed the fish. The kids love that.
Yeah.
So I would definitely recommend it if you're coming to Sea Life.
I recommend it. It was fun.
And as promised, here are some photos and videos of what Miss Vanessa took with her little kid camera. It actually works pretty good, and it's great for a startup camera. I'll show you a quick clip of some videos.
That's a pretty one.
Yeah, that is. Oh, he's smiling at me. We have the jellyfish. So, and we have sharp shipwreck. Nice. This is a little dude, and wow, look at that pretty fish right there. It's Dory. There's another Dory.
And a big thank you to Maddie and Lachey for helping support our channel. I'll link our Patreon down below. The support helps us to keep doing what we love.
Stay epic and subscribe for my videos. Don't you subscribe? And subscribe. Cut.